Is your snoring waking the neighbors? Try these tips. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. Avoid drinking alcohol within 5 hours of bedtime. Alcohol, along with other sedative drugs, causes the muscles at the back of the throat to relax. When these muscles relax, you are more apt to snore. Stay away from those nightcaps. You may actually sleep more soundly if you do not drink before bed. Get a mouth guard. Visiting a doctor for a prescription mouth guard is a successful method for many who suffer from a rattling snore. The mouth guard prevents your jaw muscles from relaxing too much, preventing them from slipping back. This method may be costly, but if you are a persistent snorer, it is worth a try. Try to avoid consuming alcohol right before bed. Alcohol does help you relax. The problem is drinking alcohol right before bed causes the muscles of your airway to relax too much. This over-relaxation causes snoring, which you may not notice. But, people around you will definitely be disturbed. You may want to think about getting a mouth device to prevent breathing through your mouth when you sleep. Breathing through your mouth, and not your nose, can cause snoring. These mouth devices block breathing through your mouth and encourage you to breathe through your nose instead. Speak with your doctor about this option. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. Avoid snoring by staying away from food that is high in carbs, especially late in the day. Foods like pizza, cake, and cookies can fill up your stomach and cause it to push on your diaphragm. This will squeeze your air passages, making it harder for air to get through, and causing you to snore. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.